activity maangot man naton sa aton nga obra as responders. Firefighters, mga bombero, respondi kita hindi lang sa sunog. Nakikitanay kita together with the PNP, with the Coast Guard, sa pag-conduct ng rescue operation, pag may bagyo. Pag may bagyo, we're expecting flash flooding, landslide, no? Brown out, of course, no? Arasin at sea. If our forest, no, which stands as the natural barrier natin against these typhoons, against these disasters, kalbo naman ang bukid, we're expecting the rescue operations na pag-operahon natin mas mabudlay, mas madugay, no? And this also means more lives at risk, damo kita sang i-save, no? Okay lang na kung may mga napilasan lang. The worst part is may mga mapatay. Also, this means more properties na ma-damage, no? And ang community mismo natin. No? That is why every single tree that we're going to plant today will help rebuild our Mother Nature and will also help safeguard the future of our children and our children's children. No, hindi ni para sa aton, but this is for the future generation. No, that's why we're very grateful for everyone's presence today, for joining us in this meaningful activity. No, so padayon kita sa pagtanom sa mga puno, padayon kita sa pag-ambig sa aton nga Mother Nature, no, because Mother Nature provided everything for us, so it is our responsibility to give back, no, para sa atin nga Mother Nature. So, together, let us help one another to make our planet, no, hindi lang niya Negros, hindi lang Philippines, to make our planet safer, greener, and disaster resilient for everyone.